Hi, I'm Sharlyn from Your Wellbeing RX. Before we dive in, I wanted to share a special treat. This next session was filmed on my recent trip to Lucca, Italy. It's a quick, energizing yoga flow designed to wake up your body and steady your mind. It's perfect for busy mornings or when you need a quick reset. Enjoy the beautiful setting and a few photos from our Italian adventure, and I'll see you on the mat in Lucca. Hello and welcome. I'm Sharlyn, and you might notice that the studio looks a little different. Well, that's because I'm coming to you live from Lucca, Italy, with a really simple, quick yoga flow to wake up your energy and make you feel strong and stable through the day. So we're going to start with our feet about hip distance apart, arms next to side, and just notice your breathing. Try to breathe in through your nose, out through your nose. Gentle and slow. And then feel your belly button move in and up to stabilize you. And you might even feel your pelvic floor lift. But let's start with arms lifting just to sides. Press to center. And then lift the elbow nice and high. Reaching up and sink into chair pose. Hands at heart center. That's it. Inhale. Press like you're moving through molasses. You feel some resistance. Lift up and back to chair. Try that again. Up, push to center, lift the elbows, and then come back and sink into chair and hold this chair for just a moment. You can shift your hips side to side. You can pedal your heels. This should feel strong and stable. Not too hard, not too easy. Kind of find that center point. And then nod your head yes. And then you can come back up and open your stance wide. Let's open the left leg to the side. Right heel comes in until your back foot is 30, 40 degree angle. And sink to warrior one. This can be more narrow, it can be more long. But breathe and squeeze the back body to open up the front. And we'll inhale. And then straightening the front leg into a really long pyramid. You can always shorten your pyramid. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and feel your hamstring stretch. And then coming back up, we're flowing these poses. Lift the back heel. And then take off. We're going to come to warrior three, toe down, or lift the heel. Let's do that one more time. Warrior one, to pyramid. And then lift the back heel. And we'll just hold this balancing warrior. It's low or high. Just find a place where you feel a bit challenged without overwhelmed. Feel long through the hip and then come to front. Opening your stance, turning to the front. Inhale and then swan dive. Neutral spine. Tailbone lifted, knees gently bent. Inhale, left arm comes up. Feel your inner thigh. Exhale to center. And notice your body waking up. Notice the length as you breathe side to side. Feel the flow, the transitions between movements. Come to center, lengthen and straighten the spine. Lift your tailbone, and then bend your knees. And we'll come all the way back up. Bring your hands to heart center, and turn your right toes out. Left heel and toe, so you're at an angle, and then find your stance for warrior one on this side. How are you feeling? Lengthen through that back leg, and find the perfect arm position today. And let's flow this side. This is a long pyramid, so if you want to shorten it, you can, but lengthen the arms and squeeze your shoulder blades. Lift the back heel, and then float forward. Is one side harder than the other? Let's flow this one more time. Your breathing is easy and smooth. launch and balance. Just take a breath or two here, finding the center between easy and challenging, right? And then come back to center. You could step in or heel toe in, and then inhale the arms halfway up. You're almost done. Press to center. Lift those elbows high. Sink into chair. Is your chair a little different this time? Try that again. Inhale the arms up. Press into center. Lift the elbows up. And sink. And we'll stay for a moment here. Breathe. Shift your hips. And then center. Come all the way back up. You did it. Thank you for doing yoga with me today. I hope you have a lovely day. Thanks for joining me for this energizing yoga flow from Lucca, Italy. If you enjoyed it, explore more movement and mindfulness practices right here on your Wellbeing RX. And don't forget to grab your free 7-day movement and mindfulness plan. Just scan the QR code or click on the link in the description. And until I see you again, stay energized, strong, and connected to your community.